Chapter 7 Obligations of Our Army Nuts. Brigadier General Anthony McAuliffe's response when the Germans demanded Allied surrender at Bastogne in World War II. By August 1950, the situation in Korea was dire. North Korean forces had seized almost the entire peninsula from United Nations forces. Allied troops were confined to a small area in the southeast called Pusan. Despite their dire circumstances, the Allies did not fragment. They united, and collectively devised a daring plan. In early September, they began a great deception operation, feinting preparations for an offensive in Pusan, bombing sites around the peninsula, and spreading misinformation. Simultaneously, American troops aboard Navy ships quietly steamed up the coast toward Seoul. On September 15th, American servicemen, side by side with our allies, stormed the coast at Incheon. The North Koreans were taken completely by surprise. Marine amphibious vehicles streamed off Navy ships towards the steep seawalls, delivering the first wave of infantry to shore. Air Force pilots bombed North Korean defenses, spotted enemy troops, and supported ground forces from the sky. Army troops advanced north from Pusan over ground and by sea, rendezvousing with the Marines in Seoul and squeezing the enemy in a pincer move. This operation, which took soldiers, sailors, Marines, and airmen, drastically changed the trajectory of the war. Over the next several weeks, United Nations troops retook the peninsula and drove the enemy further and further north. As capable as the Army is, we fight as part of the larger U.S. Joint Force. We operate alongside other U.S. government agencies, and we fight alongside allies and partners except in the rarest of circumstances. These friends, partners, and allies are essential. The threats to our country, to freedom, democracy, and global prosperity are simply too great for our Army to face alone. It is our duty, therefore, to be exceptional teammates. The fundamentals of those essential relationships like respect, trust, planning, and communication are built at the soldier level.